Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix suspended Instagram account. Did Instagram suspend your account or you can't log in? Don't panic. Here exactly how to fix it. First, read the message carefully. Instagram will tell you if your account is temporarily suspended, disabled or under review. This helps you know how to exact what to do. If you see an appeal option, tap it immediately. Follow the steps, confirm your email or phone number and submit the appeal. This is the fastest way to recover your account. After that, Instagram may ask you to verify your identity. You might need to take a selfie video or upload an ID. Do this exactly as soon as submitted. Check your email box and spam folder. Instagram will update you about your appeal. If they ask for more information, reply quickly. Suspension often happens because of bots or follower app. Too many likes or follows, breaking community rules. Most accounts are reviewed in 24 hours to 7 days. Do not submit multiple appeals or do not submit create new account. Spamming can make the suspension permanent. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.